Well, hi, my name is Carlos. Our team is conformed by Daniel Ceja and Nuno Montero. We, in this particular case, have two studies. One, in which is the first material, and you do the next one. The first assembly was a capacitor, electromagnetic coil, and a printed circuit board. We found this particular element in the trash, and this was our first example. Our second example, we bought some cable, coaxial cable in this case, which contain wire and covering. This has several pieces within the cable.
Well, the identifying materials in the circuit board is copper, that is in the coal, aluminum, that is in the capacitor outside, fiberglass in the circuit board, and polyester, that is the inside of the capacitor. The magnetic steel is in the coal with the copper, and they have they are an inductor. Okay, the example number 2 is a coaxial cable that has copper, PVC, that is that protect the copper, aluminum, that is a fiber around the PVC, and the silicone, that is the root part of the cable.
We identify these materials in the assembly, but we have to identify why do they want these materials in there. So copper, they want it because it is ductile in the cable and in the coil. It have to be flexible, and the structure is FCCC, and within that they treat it like in a milling. PVC is versatile and flexible. It's one of the most common materials in the world. The aluminum, it is ductile, it's anti-corrosive, and have low density, and also is a good conductor. And his structure is FCC. Silicon is high temperature resistance and has low conductivity. That's why it is near to the cable. And fiberglass because it is strong to tension and compression, and also is cheaper than carbon fiber. So that's why these circuits are made like in an industry level. We have polyester because it is abrasion resistance and hydrophobic, and magnetic skills. It has his own magnetic field, so that's why it's in there.
Well, hi again. To conclude, this project was really interesting. We have two assemblies. The first one was, well, we thought really complex, but at the end it was really basic. We had the capacitor in this side. We have, in this side, had a coil, it fall off, and this is the circuit board. We can see perfectly all the types of materials, and even in the pictures shown in the project, it has more to see, obviously because of the microscope. But the really interesting assembly was the second one, the coaxial one. That is because the three materials can see very clearly, and we can see the copper, we can see the types of plastics. So this is a really good example for this type of project. So to conclude this final project, we'll have an amazing time doing it and seeing all these crazy pictures in the microscope, because it has really big impact in how the material is made. So thank you very much.